the 2024 Toyota Mirai emerges as a groundbreaking option, setting a new standard as the most budget-friendly electric car capable of surpassing the 400-mile mark per charge. It's among the select few vehicles powered by hydrogen, a bold move that Toyota steadfastly champions despite the skeptics. In its second iteration, this sedan embodies not just innovation, but also sophistication, boasting an exclusive design and premium interior treatments that elevate it above its Toyota counterparts. Venturing beyond the norm, the Mirai stands as a symbol of luxury and performance, defying expectations as it seamlessly blends into everyday life. The Mirai offers a driving experience that's both refined and responsive, matching the convenience of a conventional EV while boasting a remarkable 5-minute refuel time from empty to full. It's a class unto itself, although not without its challenges. In a world where innovation knows no bounds, these vehicles stand as pioneers, reshaping our perception of what's possible on the road ahead. Software updates and new exterior paint colors are the only notable changes on the Mirai for 2024. Toyota Safety Sense, the Mirai's standard group of driver assists, goes from version 2, 5 Plus to 3.0. This update includes Traffic Jam Assist and Proactive Drive Assist, the latter of which can slow the car in traffic without cruise control. The 2024 Toyota Mirai presents a range of enticing options, with prices ranging from $51,285 to $68,210, contingent upon the chosen trim and optional features. Toyota extends the Mirai in 2 distinct flavors, the Base XLE trim and the opulent limited edition. While the latter may tempt with its lavish offerings, our recommendation leans towards the more budget-friendly XL. Standard interior features include heated and power-adjustable seats, keyless entry and ignition, faux leather upholstery, and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The Toyota Mirai relies on a fuel cell electric powertrain, which converts hydrogen gas into electricity. Essentially, this is a chemical laboratory on wheels. The electric motor powering the Mirai produces 182 horsepower, and a direct drive transmission sends those ponies to the rear wheels. Although Toyota claims the Mirai requires a leisurely 9.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, the immediate nature of the electric motor's power delivery makes it feel perkier than that when driving around town. Likewise, the rear-wheel drive chassis delivers a surprising level of athleticism while preserving a refined and composed ride. According to Toyota, the XLE model boasts an impressive range of 402 miles per hydrogen fill-up, while opting for the limited model slightly reduces that estimate to 357 miles. These figures position the Mirai among the front-runners in the electric car arena. However, the restricted availability of hydrogen refueling stations implies that drivers may need to stay within California's boundaries to fully capitalize on this cutting-edge technology. The Mirai boasts a snazzy cabin that matches its swoopy exterior. Copper-colored trim pieces highlight several curvy elements on the dash and door panels, while the nearly all-digital instruments and 12.3-inch infotainment screen dominate the upper part of the dashboard. It's a futuristic and rich-looking design that's appropriate for a car with a $50,000 starting price. Despite 2 large hydrogen tanks underneath the cabin floor and a third in the trunk, the rear seat space is reasonably spacious. The Mirai doesn't hold back when it comes to technology. At its core is a generous 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system setting the stage for an immersive driving experience. Boasting a plethora of standard features including a Wi-Fi hotspot, a premium 14-speaker JBL audio system, Sirius XM satellite radio, and in-dash navigation, the Mirai ensures you're always connected and entertained on the road. Plus, seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means your favorite apps and services are just a tap away.